The current time is 2:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Please stand by. Station WXK42 will be up shortly.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 553, effective until 9 o'clock p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Minnesota: Clay, Norman, Polk, and Wilkin, and the following counties in North Dakota: Barnes, Cass, Grand Forks, Ransom, Richland, Steele, and Trail. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
You are listening to NOAA's National Weather Service radio station WXK42, operating at a frequency of 162.475 MHz, transmitting from tower facilities near Libya. Weather radio for the Fargo area. The current time is 2:16 p.m. Central Daylight Time.